Hi everybody. I just want to tell you all one thing that in video number 4 and video number 5, I'm discussing a topic called big O notation. And for this, there is a question, write a note on big O notation. So what I have done is I have dictated the answer till point number 3 or 4. And the remaining part of the answer I have not dictated in the videos. So what I'm doing is I'm giving these remaining points over here. You can pause this video and you can copy the remaining points on this video. All right. So the topic starts over here. This is the question. Write a note on big O notation. Point number 1, point number 2, then point number 3, point number 4, then point number 5, point number 6, point number 7. Point number 7 is not yet over. Okay, point number 7, it continues from here and then starts again from here. All right, let me just read this for you because I wrote something with pencil over here. So in case you cannot read it, now instead of expressing efficiency using this complex mathematical expression, we may write, and after that again copy everything till here. So this is point number 8. Okay, till here you should write. And with point number 8, the answer to this question is over. One more thing which you can do is that before you start with point number 7, you can just write over here in the margin that point number 7 and point number 8 are the two advantages of the big O notation. All right. And if you want, is one more thing which you can do. Now what you can do is for point number 6, you can write one example. So when you see the video part number 5, I repeat, when you see the video part number 5, in that I'm taking an example where I'm teaching you K1 is lesser than K2, then lesser than K3. Okay. So for that, I'm taking one mathematical example, which you can write somewhere on the side over here. That mathematical example is only for your understanding, not to be given in the exam.